everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food. And today I'm going to make one more healthy breakfast recipe, the hash browns. And you must be thinking, healthy hash browns? Well, I'm going to use cauliflower instead of the potatoes so that the carbohydrate content is less. So enjoy the recipe. So to make the recipe, here I am taking half a cauliflower for 2 servings. Now cut the cauliflower into halves and then again into 2 pieces. Now using a manual grater, grate the cauliflower just like you grate the potatoes for the traditional hash browns. Be careful of your hands while grating. Or you can also use an electric grater to save some time and energy. Once done, wash the grated cauliflower thoroughly and strain out of the water. And now put this cauliflower into a bowl. Add the flavors. Start with 1 whole egg, or you can also go for the egg whites. To make it veg, substitute the eggs with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or 2 tablespoons of silken tofu or cottage cheese. Now add salt to taste. And good amount of black pepper powder. Next, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes or a teaspoon of red chili powder. Then 1 teaspoon of rosemary and garlic powder, or you can also add a clove of garlic finely chopped. Then 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves, including more of the stems. Then just a tablespoon of cornstarch for binding. Now mix all the ingredients nicely. Finally add 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese, which is completely optional. Mix all the ingredients again. Now it's time to make the hash browns. For that, on a skillet, take a tablespoon of cooking oil. When the oil is warm, place the hash browns. Keep the temperature on medium heat. Turn sides and cook till nice golden brown. Once cooked, take them out on a kitchen paper and serve hot. Finally, it's time to taste. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'm sure you loved it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.